This is an ONN Roku TV, ONN Roku TV. We are connecting the LG Bluetooth SPM2 soundbar on this one. So for the Roku TV, on Roku TV, you go to the settings, you go to audio, and you go to the audio output. And if you check here, there's no Bluetooth connection on this TV. So again, when you go to the audio output, this on Roku smart TV does not have an option to go Bluetooth. That means if we connect that a soundbar like the LG soundbar, it's a Bluetooth soundbar, but it does include the optic wire. So here's the wire, the optical wire. And I checked the back, since it does not have a connection for Bluetooth, it does have the optical cable slot. So it easily connects, and it does show optical at the back of the ONN Roku TV. And then the LG soundbar, model SPM2, has that slot as well, because it includes the optical wire, the cable. So with the other video, the Samsung, you can connect the LG soundbar through Bluetooth. So for the ONN Roku TV, you cannot connect the soundbar through Bluetooth. You have to connect it physically with the optical cable that's included when you purchase the LG soundbar. So as soon as you've connected the wire, the cable, you will turn on the LG soundbar. So you see that it's on. It's a green light there. You have the remote as well. And then on the Roku TV now, I'm going to show you. I'm going to put some music, copyright-free music, like the TV itself. This is just the soundbar right now. Listen. So the music that you heard is from Liquid LIQWYD. He is allowed to use his music copyright free. Um, that was those the sounds that you heard is from the LG soundbar. No music at all, no sound at all coming from the ONN Roku TV. Again, no Bluetooth connector, no Bluetooth setup for ONN Roku TV, but you do have the optical cable slot or HDMI. You can use HDMI as well to listen to music.